Hello and welcome to my review of the HOOVER DMCD1013B Condenser Tumble Dryer. As you can see, this is my HOOVER Dynamic Mega 10 kilos sensor condenser. Also it says there's a quick look at the top control panel and the digital display. We'll go more into them controls in a little while. So we'll just put the camera back. Obviously I'm recording the audio separate because it was just a bit of a nightmare in the house today. So we'll open up the dryer. It's quite a nice firm pull on the door, but not too firm, you see. So one feature I do like is this water container, which is in the door. I did have a condenser dryer before and it was underneath. It was a bit of a pain. But this is a nice, it's in the door, so obviously you're not going to forget when it's full. Here you have the Fluff Filter. If you've ever had a tumble dryer before, I really hope you know what one of these is. If you don't empty it, then, well, I'm not even going to talk about the consequences. But this dryer does have a reminder to empty the Fluff Filter. I empty mine every time I use a dryer, so I've not gone into that yet. It's never come up. So we'll go into the settings here. Obviously I've had the dryer on, it's for 32 minutes, do a quick loop with the control and it resets it. So the first setting is memo, that's coming up as an hour. You've got all towels 425, store dry 355, hang dry 310, iron dry 250. You've got a 12-minute refresh setting, 1 hour 10 on the wool, 139 mix and dry. 1 hour on shirts, a rapid 40, so that's 40 minutes quick dry, and 1 hour on the time, which you can obviously change. Now I think the rapid 40 is for up to 2 kilos of clothes, so you're not going to get a lot in there, but for a quick one you can. There's your Anti-Crease Function, and that goes between synthetics and acrylics, which does change the time on some programs. So I'll let you have a quick listen to the dryer. As you can hear there, I don't think it was too loud, so I just want to show you the door now. Obviously this is where, we'll show you the heat exchanger first. So at the bottom you just literally pull the bottom panel off, move them 2 clips, and out comes the heat exchanger. I think it's about once a month you're supposed to clean that out, just defluff it and run it under the shower or a tap just to get as much water out as you can. Obviously it just slides back in and you put the 2 blue locking pins in. The bottom panel just clips back on. It's as easy as that. Like I said, I think that's once a month you need to do that, so, but it will say in the manual. Open the door up and the water tank just clips off. As you can see on the bottom there's a little hole there. I say a little hole, it's probably 2-3 inches wide. You've got that fin on the bottom of the tank. Just line the 2 up, push, click, and it's in. It is really that simple. All in all, I think this is a cracking dryer. I really do. I'm so glad that I bought it. It dries clothes nice and quickly, and it's a nice quiet tumble dryer. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to pop your comments down below, and if you really like what you watch, click this button on the right hand side to subscribe.